Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's math class. Today I'm going to start new chapter, 12th chapter, which is smart charts. Children, already you are familiar with this smart charts chapter. In class 4th we learned about what is tally marks and bar graph and pie chart. Same thing we are going to learn in class 5th also. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about tally marks, bar graph, pie chart, and this we are going to learn with the help of some activities. And based on this we'll see some applications, like some questions also we are going to answer based on this tally marks and bar graph. Children, here we have one activity based on the tally marks. Let us see that activity first. Chichi and Meow Meow. Yamini did a project, animals and birds. She asked each child of her class about her favorite pet animal. See, she did a project, it seems, based on the animals and birds. So that she asked what about their favorite pet animal to all his classmates. She used tally marks to record each answer. Whatever the answers she received, to record those answers, she is taking the help of tally marks. For example, if someone said cat, she put one vertical line. Someone said cat again, she added a line, so see, one horizontal line she added. So like that she is taking the help of tally marks. Yes, here she recorded like this. What are the names of different pet animals? And you can see she represented with the tally marks, and this number we need to write here. Let us see this activity, children. Yes, children, you can see here she written here all the different pet animal names which she received from her classmates, and she took the help of tally marks to record the number of students are having the pet animal as cats, number of students having the pet animal as dogs. And see better here, suppose one student said cat is her or she favorite animal, his favorite animal, she took like this one vertical line. This one vertical line denoted one student. Suppose again one more student, he said cat is their favorite animal. So cat is their favorite animal. So one symbol, again she will take one horizontal line. It means two students are having their pet animal as cat. If suppose third student also said cat is favorite animal, so she take like this one vertical line, one cat, two cats, three cats. Suppose after that one more student, he said cat is the favorite animal, one cat, two cat, three cats, four cats. This box tells that there are four students who are having the favorite animal is cat. Suppose one more student again, he said cat is his favorite animal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is like you can say diagonal. So these are the different symbols is taking to represent the numbers. Only one student, one vertical line. Two students, one vertical line, and one more horizontal she will attach. Three students, vertical line, horizontal, again one more vertical line. Three lines. Four students, one vertical line, 2, 3, one more horizontal line, 4. 5 students, she will take the same box, and from here she will draw one line like diagonal. So here 5 students. This one complete symbol shows that 5 students. Here 4 boundaries, 4 lines are there. Each line tells about one student. 4 boundaries, 4 sides, 4 students, and one more diagonal. Total 5 students. Here they took tally marks and they written number, and remaining we will write now. Yes. Cat see but here each symbol shows how many students? 5 students. Each symbol shows 5 students. 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5. Yes. Now here not 5 but here 4 only I think so. Yes. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are there. So let us count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 4. 24. First one he gave. So remaining we need to write the numbers. Let us see how many students are having the pet animal is dogs. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 15 plus 5 20 20 plus 5 25 25 plus 5 30 31 32. So 32 students are having the pet animal is dogs. Hope it is clear. 1 2 3 4 5. One box shows that there are 5 students. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 boxes. 6 5s are 30 31 32. So there are 32 students who like the pet animal as dogs. Next, rabbits. One box shows 5 students. 5 plus 5. There are 10 students who like the rabbits. Cows. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 21 22. So there are 22 students who having the pet animal is cows. And next we can see parrot. 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 students having the pet animal is parrot. And next we can see goats better. 1 2 3 4. 4 boxes there. Each box tells about 5 students. 4 5s are 20. So total there are 20 students who has the pet animal is goat. Squirrel. 1 2 3. Each one 5. So 5 3s are 15. There are 15 students who has the pet animal is squirrel. So that is the way we can count and we can write. Hope this one is clear. One vertical line, one. You can see two students. 3 sides are there, 3 students. 4 sides are there, 4 students. 4 sides and one diagonal gives us 5 students. Now let us see some questions based on this tally marks activity. Yes, children, here we have some questions based on this tally marks. Let us answer those questions better. Yes, here we have first one. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. So look at the tally marks and write the number each in the table. See, they gave only this first one. I mean, only cats they gave 24. Remaining they are asking to write. Already we did it. Alright. How many children in all did Yamini talk to? They are asking total how many children are there. So we need to find total number of children by adding all this better. Yes, let us do addition here. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 0 6 only. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 0 16. 16 plus 5 21. 1 to carry here. Yes. Next you can see over here. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. So there are total 131 students. How many students better? Total 131 students. Which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? Now see, which number is, what is the big number here? 32 is the big number. It means most of the children, there are more number of students who have their pet animal is dog. What we can see over here? Dog. Yes. Sir, there are more number of students who having the pet animal is dog. So the most favorite pet animal is what better? The most favorite pet animal is dog. Now let us see next one, third one. Which pet animal will you like to have? Yes. Here in class you can see most of the children having their pet animal is dog. Even me too, like a dog. Yes. Even I am also having my pet animal is also dog only. Which pet animal will you like Yes, I have. And there is a right here. My pet animal is. My pet animal is dog. What will you name it? We can name, yes. I name it. I name it puppy. I name it puppy. Which other animals can be kept at home? Along with not only dog, more which animals we can kept at home. Like cat also we can keep at home. Parrot also we can keep at home. So cats, comma, parrots can be kept at home. Can be kept at home. Yes. Hope it is clear to all. What we learned better today class? We learned how to write the numbers by using tally marks through activity, and also we answered few questions based on the tally marks. Hope it is clear to all.